Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? So today's interview question is: what are the difference between Dockerfile and Docker Compose? So first, let's have a look at the Dockerfile. So in the Dockerfile, we have from the base, we take one base image. Here we have taken Python base image. After that, we set the working directory. Then we copy recommend.txt, source code, application code, etc. And we install the dependencies. So all the dependencies we install. Here we are installing dependencies using pip install. And then we expose the port the application listener, and finally the command to run when the container starts. So this is what we do in Dockerfile. So here we create the image. We Dockerize the app means we create the image, and in the Docker Compose we tell how the container will be run. Like for example, we build the image we using build command. There has to be Dockerfile in the current directory. Then we map the port, host port to the container port. We have some volume mapping, map current directory as a volume, like optional. Okay. So they are the things we do in the Docker Compose file. Now let's have a look at the difference. So what is the purpose of Dockerfile? Purpose of Dockerfile is to build single Docker image. So purpose of the Dockerfile is building a single Docker image for the application. So when we say Dockerize the application, we create the image of that Docker image for that. Docker Compose, it manages multi-container application. Single application also we can use Docker Compose, but generally it's used for multi-container application where you try to run, instead of running everything from command line, you try to run multiple containers, set up multiple containers. Okay. So file name will be Docker file, and here it's a Docker Compose.yml. It is used to create a container image. Docker Compose used to define and manage multiple containers. Used to define and manage multiple containers. Syntax, we have from, copy, run, cmd, all these step-by-step format are there, instructions are there in Dockerfile. In Docker Compose, it's a YML syntax to define service network and volumes. Scope is applied to single service app. Here, it can manage multiple service, app, database, cache, etc. Execution command is docker build -t myapp dot. So you are building the image. After that, you docker run myapp. So you are running that content image as a container, creating the instance of the image as container. So Docker build and then Docker run. Here you do Docker compose up -t. Example use cases: building and running a Node.js or Flask app as a single container. Here you can run web app with a database and cache together. Dependency does not manage dependency between multiple things, but can multiple images or multiple containers can define dependencies and control how multiple services will start. Okay. So these are the main differences between Dockerfile and Docker Compose. So now let's see the question I have posted on my LinkedIn page, Devops Challenge Hub, and you can also participate in the quiz and contest. So today's question is: what is the role of Docker Compose in containerized application? It helps build Docker images. It automates multi-container deployment. Helps compress Docker images, create containers, provides security feature. So correct answer is B. It automates multi-container deployment. So Docker Compose is a tool for defining and running multi-container Docker application. It uses YAML, typically Docker Compose YAML, to configure services that make up your application, the dependencies, and how they interact. Okay. And it then handles starting and stopping of these containers as a single unit. Okay. And so that's it for today. And hope you like this video. And please like it, share it, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And follow my LinkedIn page where I post daily questions. I also organize contests, so you can participate in that. And you can follow my WhatsApp channel also. So search for Devops Challenge Hub, LinkedIn, YouTube, and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.